for building AI agents, developers must identify assumptions about user intent, evaluate training data quality, and recognize biases in AI models. Game design. Designers use causal reasoning to understand player behavior, take perspective of different player types, and question what makes games fun. Because if we think about it, we just go off the floor of what we feel, and that's bias. SaaS platforms, what me and Musa was just talking about. Product teams analyze user feedback, distinguish facts from opinions, and reflect on what features truly solve user problems. This is really important, man, because the person who really critically thinks is going to be on the winning side. The person who don't critically think and take the time to critically think is going to be on the loser side. Because thinking, what I realize, it takes some work, and it does fire off your neural networks. The more you think, the more you're actually firing off your neural networks. Talking and, things like that. Yeah, you're firing off some neural networks, but when you put a strain on your brain is when you're really firing off those neural networks. When you make that brain go into thinking mode is when you're firing off your neural networks. And that's what you want to do when you're using AI. That's what you want to do when you're building a game. You want to make sure your brain is functioning instead of not functioning, and you're letting the AI do all the thinking for you. So reality check. Play testing reveals 60% of players skip tutorials. Solution. Integrate learning into gameplay instead. Tutorials are very, very important, and I myself be skipping tutorials. And tutorials are important, and we're going to show you why.